Hey guys, Rohan this side and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's problem of the day on Geeks for Geeks. It is distinct difference. Okay, so what exact question here is given an array A of n of the length n for each index I, find the difference between the number of distinct element in its left and its right side of the array. Okay, so what exactly the given here is it's n is equal to 3, nothing but the length of this array. Okay, and we need to find it the difference of left and right unique element. Okay, then if we are selecting the first I is equal to 0, it's nothing but this first element. Okay, so if we are doing like left is 0 element at left and one these two elements are there in the right, but the both are the 3, so unique element is 1 only. So it's 0 minus 1, it's nothing but minus 1. Okay, if we are taking this 3, then we can say that one unique at left and one unique at right, so the difference is 0. And if we are taking the last element, then we can see that 2 unique at left and 0 unique at right, so it's 2 minus 0 is nothing but the 2. Okay, so we just need to return this. The same explanation is given here. Okay, so this is we can say a very easy code. We can let's start coding in Python, and let's first try the slicing approach, that what we can do with this. Okay, so let me first give one empty array answer to store this difference value. Okay, and let's say I'm starting from I is equal for I in range of capital N. Okay, and if we are doing like what should be the left, okay, how we can get the left, then it is nothing but the A of colon I. This is the slicing approach. So if we are taking A of colon 0, then whatever the elements are there left side 0, that will cover here. Okay, that, but we need a unique, so we are just converting this into the set. Okay, and at the end we are just taking a length of this set. So this is nothing but the length of, or we can say the count of the unique elements at the left side, and we'll just put a minus. The same way we'll get the length of set of, okay, now we want the right elements. Okay, then we'll just put I. If we are taking I, then that count that particular element too, but we don't want that, so we'll just put I plus 1 and colon. Okay, so this is the thing. Let's take a difference. Okay, and at the end we'll just append this difference into this ANS. Okay, append diff. Okay, but here we'll get one error because we are doing I plus 1, but what happened when there is a last element, then we don't have any plus 1 element. Okay, for that, so at that time we'll just get the error. So what we'll do, we'll just take till minus 1. Okay, and now if we are taking till minus 1, then we are not able to count the difference of the last. Okay, so that we are just doing outside this for loop. Okay, at the end we are just also appending that. Okay, and here we'll just put it like length of whatever the left elements are there. Okay, so left elements, so we can say length of set of A of colon I. Okay, but definitely there will be a 0 element at the right because it is the last element. Okay, so no need to do anything else apart from that. Okay, and at the end we'll just return answer. Okay, let me compile this for the first test case. Let's see what answer we are getting. Okay, it is like something difference. What error we are getting here, let me check. Okay, sorry, we can't put it like I, we need to put it like it's like it's out of the for loop, right? So we just need to put n minus 1 because this is the last element. Okay, so now let me compile it. Okay, now we can say the first test case satisfies fine with this. Let me submit it for the remaining test cases. Okay, 1000 plus test cases. Let's see. Okay, okay, we are getting a time limit exit with this. We can able to satisfy only 1110, or the last 5 test cases not satisfied with this due to the time limit exceed. Okay, so we can say this is the correct approach, but due to like we are doing this typecasting 2 times in every for loop, so that's why it might possible this is a bit heavy. Okay, and it's not able to complete all the test cases within the time limit. Okay, so let's say in place of this doing this typecasting every time, we'll just store that in some arrays or some sets, and after that we'll check it like how we can do this. Okay, then let me first remove this code. Okay, and if you can see, I already write that code here. Okay, for that's why I'm just taking a one set and one list here. Okay, I'm just taking like left, right, so whatever is the, I'm just taking like from n-1 to -1. Okay, so from right to left, whatever the value we are getting, we are just putting that in L. Okay, it's nothing but the empty list initially we are taking. Okay, and whatever the value of this a of I is there, we are putting that in set. Okay, so here at the every point we'll just get the number of unique elements in this st set for all the indexes. Okay, and after that we are just again taking another set. Okay, to take the right elements. Okay, and the same way we are just getting this length of st. This is nothing but the elements here in the s1. Okay, and the same way whatever is there in this the first. Okay, that elements we are just deducting from this length. Okay, ultimately the concept is same what we use first, but there we are using the slicing. Okay, here due to like that is bit heavy for this Python, so that's why we are using here something different approach with the indexes. Okay, and at the end whatever the differences we are just appending into the s, and whatever the value from right to left, sorry, from left to right is there, we are just adding this in that in this set st1, whatever the new set we are just taking. Okay, so at the end we are just getting the same answer of this difference of this left and right unique elements. Let me compile this code now. Okay, so okay, some driver. Okay, I think I just forgot to remove this. Let me compile it. Okay, we can say the first test case satisfies fine. Let me submit it for the remaining. And as we are using some index approach here, that will be bit not much taking time than slicing approach. Okay, so that's why we can say this is the solution, and we are passing all the test case here. So that's it guys, this is the solution for today's problem of the day. I'll just provide both the solution in the comment, like slicing approach and this index approach. So whatever you can use, but with the slicing you can't pass all the test cases here, but that is also one of the good approach. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.